Hey guys, TechMentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about what you should do right now if you have an issue with the Apple product or device and how you can get pretty much Apple to repair or give you a replacement device for free. And this is going to be applicable if this is the case. So what are we talking about? So this thing that we're talking about is Apple Service Program. So if you don't know what Apple Service Program is, if you simply hop over to Google or any website, simply search up Apple Service Programs. So what are Apple Service Programs? So what Apple Service Programs are simply these programs that Apple make when there's a defect with any of their products. So it could be from anything from your iPhone to your iPod to your AirPods to iPads, your simply MacBook, Apple Watch, any Apple product that Apple releases. What happens is sometimes with tech that they make, with any devices, there's sometimes recall programs like with anything else. If there's a defect they find across hundreds or thousands of devices. For example, no sound is the most recent one that has been experienced. If you have iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro and you're experiencing that, you can actually get Apple to replace that or repair that for free. You have iPhone 11, AirPods, all of this. So go ahead and Google that and find out if you're having an issue with your Apple product, how you can go about doing it. Sometimes what happens on the service program, you can actually put in your serial number into it and it will check, like this one example on the iPhone 11 where there's issue with the display module, touch not working. You can actually put your serial number, it'll tell you. And other ones you might have to contact Apple directly, where the customer service have specific list of the affected devices, but they don't go out telling you these, or if they do, it's very secretive. So something you have to go out, find it on your own. And if you see that your device is eligible for a service program, you can take it to Apple Store or even mail it in for them to be able to check that for you and have that fixed for you, and you don't have to pay a single penny for that. Again, it's a great program. If you want to take advantage of it, check the page out, and if you have any of these devices with that intended or recall issue, go get it fixed and have that device replaced or repaired for completely free. So hopefully this tip was helpful for you guys, and if this video is helpful, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.